Travis, Wayne Goodsell. Well, last year, was it early in the morning or was it in the evening? I think it was in the morning, because I was all scruffy face, I think. Could have been in the evening after waking up, and then, because there was two of them. One of them was the aftershock. Anyway, last year we had the Magna earthquake. And to the date, we had one this morning at 6:59 38 seconds a.m. Mountain Daylight Standard Time. 2 miles east-southeast of Salt Air, Utah. That is further west than Magna, which was last year. And it was only its magnitude is 1.39, so it was nothing. However, those Kennecott boys causing trouble again 1 year later. But yeah, if it ain't a fiver, it ain't worth nothing. So I was being asked if I was sending a wake-up call to the brethren this morning. Nope, that was the video series yesterday, of which YouTube employees freaked out and decided to tamper with my videos and channel yesterday. So, you know, yippee-ki-yay. Okay, that's for the lawsuit. Yeah. So again, I encourage everybody to who argue. Do you read this email? I don't think I want to. I recognize spam that is going to steal my information and rob me blind, despite how pretty you look on your thumbnail, Russian little honeypot. So, yeah. Another day, another failed breach of contract to build Zion for the Mormon Church. So, yep.